Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to record and sync up audio to video from your Quest 2. The number one step is to go Audacity and hook up an aux cord from your Quest 2 to your microphone input that's inside your computer. Once you have Audacity downloaded, you can boot it right on up. And make sure that you have Microsoft Sound Mapper right there. That should be your direct input from your Quest 2 to your computer microphone input. And if you want to hear sound as you're recording, just press Edit, go down to Preferences, then click Software Playthrough of Input. It's best to have an audio cue where you want to start your video, such as a clap or an in-game game movement that syncs with the sound. Once you've found a way to record your audio, now it's time to record your video. There are two different ways that you can do this. You can either choose to record your gameplay through casting, which is through the oculus.com/casting right here. You gotta sign into your Oculus account and then press casting from inside your Quest 2. Or you can press record on your Quest 2 directly. Just don't press mic because you can record your mic later on. Now you can choose whichever way you want to record your gameplay on the Quest 2. Either cast or record directly on the Quest 2. I personally record gameplay straight through the Quest. Its quality is just a bit better based on frame rate, even though it's about 30 frames already, and the Quest 2, as you know, or you should know, that it always drops the quality no matter what. So you can go either which way. I just prefer to record directly on the Quest 2. Once you've recorded both audio and video, then you can start to go into the editing process. I use Lightworks, so that's what I'll be showing how to use today. Once you've got Lightworks installed, you can go straight into it. Number one thing you need to do, press Create New Project. Choose a name for your project and press Create. So I'm going to go with the name Hose and Boats. Once that's done, you need to check if you're on the editing tab by looking at the top of the application. It will say Log, Edit, VFX, as in visual effects, and Audio. Once you made sure you're in the right tab, go down to the local files and find your video. Be down here. Once you found it, drag it on down to video 1. If your video already came with audio or you recorded it with audio, not your mic but in-game audio, you want to go over to audio 1/audio 2, right click it, press delete. Boom, it's gone. Now, if you need your separate audio that you recorded yourself from your headset to your computer, go to your Audacity folder wherever you put it and get it. So I got Sweet Victory. Oh, bam. Okay, now you need to find your audio cue and line it up with the video. This might take you a little bit of your time, and if you're not exactly sure where to put it, bring the video back with the audio, like I did right here, then line up the audio that you actually want to be in the video, Once that's done, go ahead and delete the audio track. And then, if you're like me and you find that there's extra space before you actually want the video to start, bring your sequence bar and bring it on over and drop it where you want to cut it. Once that's dropped, you can press C on your keyboard, and then boom. Then click one sequence, hold shift, click another sequence, and then press delete. Et voila. Bring them together. Should line up now. Yes, it does. Lines up perfectly. Now, once you're done, you can right-click an empty spot. My preferred spot to right-click is below the timeline right here. Then you can go to export, then H.264/MP4, that'll give you an MP4, or you can go straight to your social media platforms or any kind of platform. Check what you want. Just keep it 720 because that's how it records. Unless you found a way to record it at a higher resolution, then good on ya. Then you can press start. Well, choose what you want to name it and which folder you want to go. Then press start. And there you have it. A better sounding and synced recording of your playthrough. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.